So, chapter 21, Love for Books. Helen says that she wants to relate how much she depended on books for pleasure and wisdom, as also for that knowledge that comes to others through their eyes and their ears. Books meant much more to her in her education than in that of others. So again, love for books. Helen says that she wants to relate how much she depended on books. ହେଲା ସେ କେତେ ବୁକ୍ସ ଉପରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରିକି ଥିଲା for pleasure and wisdom, as also for that knowledge that comes to others through their eyes and their ears. ହେଲା so ସେ କହୁଛି as also for that knowledge. ଆଉ ବି ନଲେଜ ଖାଲି ବୁକ୍ସ ରୁ କଣ ନଲେଜ ଆସେ ଅବି ଆସେ କୋଉଥିରୁ ନା ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ କୋଉଥିରୁ ନଲେଜ ଆସୁଛି ବୁକ୍ସ ରୁ ଆସୁଛି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଆମେ ଯାହା ଦେଖୁଛେ ଯାହା ଶୁଣୁଛେ what we see in our eyes and ସେଗୁଡା ବି ଆମେ ନଲେଜ ଆମର ଆସୁଛି ଦେଖୁଛେ ବାହାରେ ଗୋଟେ ହଁ ଏଇଟା 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 ଏଇ ଜାଗା ପୁରା ଜାଣୁଛୁ ଏଇ ବୁଝିପାରିଲୁ ଦେଖିକିରି ଶୁଣିକିରି ବି ନଲେଜ ଆସୁଛି ତାଙ୍କର ବି ସେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ହେଲା ବୁକ୍ସ ମିଣ୍ଟ ମଚ୍ ମୋର୍ ଟୁ ହର୍ ଦେଖିପାରୁନି ନା ବୁକ୍ସ ତେଣୁ ତାର ସବୁ in her education than in that of others. ତେଣୁ for her everything is the book. So love for books she had. ହେଲା earliest books. First को बही पढ़िଥିଲା right? अच्छा Helen read her first connected story in May 1887 when she was 7 years old. ସେତେବେଳେ 1887 ରେ 7 ବର୍ଷର ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟୋରି during the early years of her education she did not study regularly ସବୁବେଳେ ଠିକ ସେ ପଢୁନଥିଲା ରେଗୁଲାରଲି ପଢୁନଥିଲା or according to rules ହେଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଲା ପଢୁଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇମ ଟେବୁଲ ନଥିଲା at first she had only a few books in raised prints प्रथमे तार बहुत अल्प बही थिला रेज प्रिंट हेगिरी हैला माने ब्लाइंड को पई रीडर्स फॉर बिगिनर्स ए कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टोरीज फॉर चिल्ड्रन हैला सेडा से पढुतला एंड ए बुक अबाउट द अर्थ कॉल्ड आवर वर्ल्ड से बहिर ना थिला आवर वर्ल्ड Miss Sullivan, no. Miss Sullivan also spelled into her hand little stories and poems. Sullivan भी तंग हाथ रे लिखी दे that she knew. Okay. It was during her visit to Boston that she began to read seriously. बोस्टन को गला पर से भल की पढ़िला she read parts of many books बहुत बही पढ़िला without much understanding हैला तार लिखि दिया हुए से अंडरस्टैंडिंग करू कि न करू हैला से गुडे खाली बुझे ए जो खाली ताको फील हबो the words fascinated her वर्ड गुडा जते जते पढ़ला ताको बहुत मजा लागला her mind was capable of retaining much that she read so तार माइंड टाइम थिला से कैपेबल it was capable of retaining much जते पढ़िले भी से ता माइंड ता रखी परथला कैप्चर करि परथला The little Lord Fauntleroy, eh? Fauntleroy, Fauntleroy, ହେଲା, Little Lord Fauntleroy. Once she was reading the Scarlet Letter. Scarlet Letter ଗୋଟେ ବହି ତାକୁ ସେ ପଢିଲା. She was reading. Her teacher, Miss Sullivan, told her that she had a story about a little boy which she was sure would delight her more than the Scarlet Letter. Skip Sullivan କହିଲା that she had a story about a little boy. କହିଲା ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ little boy ବିଷୟରେ. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? It will give you more delight. It will give you more delight. Okay. Than this Scarlet Letter. ଆଉ Scarlet Letter ପଢନି. She promised to read the story to her. Sullivan କହିଲା ମୁଁ ତତେ ପଢେଇକି ଶୁଣେଇଦେବି. ହେଲା? The following summer. ହେଲା? କହିଲା ମୁଁ ସମରରେ କହିବି. Her teacher accordingly read to her the story. ତାକୁ ହିନ୍ଦୀ ଶୁଣେଇଦେଲା. After her first visit to Boston. Boston ଗଲା ପରେ ତାକୁ ଶୁଣେଇଲା. It was a warm afternoon in August. They sat together in a hammock which swung from two pines. Dita pine gଛ ଅଛି ସେଥିରୁ ବାହାରିଛି. At a short distance from the house. ସେମାନେ ବସିଲେ. Miss Sullivan explained to her the things she knew she would not understand before she began the story. Okay. ସେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ପଢିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ସେ ଆଗ କହିଲେ. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ନାଇଁ? Miss Sullivan explained to her ତାକୁ ଆଗ ବୁଝେଇଦେଲେ. The things she knew ସେ ଯାହା ଯାହା ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ବହି ବିଷୟରେ ସେ ବୁଝେଇଦେଲେ. She would not understand before she began the story. She became too impatient as her teacher explained the meanings of many difficult words. ତେଣୁ ସିଏ ଟିକେ impatient ହେଲା ମାନେ ଅଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଲା. ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ difficult word meanings ସବୁ କହିଲେ ତ teacher. ଆଚ୍ଛା. She took the book in her hands and tried to fill the letters. ହେଲା ବହିଟା ନିଜ ହାତରେ ନେଇକିରି ଫିଲ୍ କଲା ଲେଟର ଗୁଡା. Later, Mr. Anagonos had the story embossed for her. ଆଉ ଜଣେ କଣ ହେଲା ତା ନା ସିଏ ଆସିକିରି ଆ ଉପରେ ଏମ୍ବସ୍ କରିଦେଲେ. ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନା ନାଇଁ? ଏମ୍ବସ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ମାନେ କଣ ତା ଉପରେ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଲେଖିଲେ. ହେଲା କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇକି ଲେଖୁଥିବେ ଆଉ. All through her childhood, little Lord Fauntleroy remained her sweet companion. ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ବୁଲନ୍ତି ସବୁବେଳେ. During the next 2 years, she read many books at her home and on her visits to Boston. ତେଣୁ ସେ ପଢିଲେ ବହୁତ ବହି ହେଲା ସେଠି. Some books of Helen's childhood. ତାପରେ ଦେଇଛି books childhood ରେ ତାଙ୍କର କଣ କଣ ପଢିଥିଲେ. Among the books she read were Greek Heroes, La Fontaine's Fables, Hawthorne's Wonder Book, Bible stories, Lamb's Tales from Shakespeare, The Pilgrim's Progress, और रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो लिटिल ओमेन एटा ही पढ़ी बुझला लिटिल ओमेन है एक्सेट्रा शी लव्ड लिटिल ओमेन बिकॉज it gave her a sense of kinship with girls and boys who could see and hear है so बुझल कि she loved little women because it gave her a sense of kinship little women ताको भल लागला with girls and boys who could see and hear okay she loved little women because it gave her a sense of kinship with girls and boys who could see and hear जो माने नॉर्मल पिला थिले तांको संगरे एटा गोटे किनशिप माने तांको बंधुता रखिया को एटा को हला एटा ये कहउतला ए बहिटा हला तेनु तांको भल लागिला she did not care much for the Pilgrim's Progress or La Fontaine's Fables. That is for Podigy, but we didn't care much. The stories like fables in which animals behave like human beings never appeal to her. Those stories like पढ़िबो animal behave करतनी like human सेटा ताको भलो लागेनी never appeal. She disagreed with the La Fontaine's idea that man's mortality springs from self-love. Okay, morality, man's morality, तोर morality, तू कौन भलो करू मंद करू morality springs आसे कोठू self-love, तू जदि निजु बेसी भलो पाउछु हैला सेइटू आसे तू कौन केमिति भल काम करिवि कि खराब काम हैला जदि तू निजु बेसी भलो पाउछु हैला ताले तू भलो काम करिवि because she believed that self-love is the root of all evil. এটা কো চ্যাপ্টার চ্যাপ্টার 21 chapter 21 কোন হচ্ছে genuine interest in the animals she loved the jungle book and wild animals I have known এই বইগুলা she felt a genuine interest in the animals themselves in these stories. Okay, so one sympathizes with their loves and so she felt a genuine interest in animals themselves तांको निज निज भितरे जो इंटरेस्ट अछि बुझ पाछो ना नहीं से सेटा को फील कला स्टोरी गुडा पढी one sympathizes with their loves and hatreds okay से तांको भितरे तांकर लव अछि घृणा भी अछि hatreds laughs अछि over their comedies and weeps over their tragedies से माने भी कांदंती ओके लाफ भी करंती तांको भितरे हैला their pointed moral is subtle subtle their pointed moral अच्छा ये subtle ओके देखिए तापरे हेलो पेंटा
कौन एटा था
subtle means maybe weak
निगुड़
हाँ ओहो
अति सूक्ष्म
हाँ देयर पॉइंटेड मोराल तांकर भी मोराल भी बहुत भलो माने से माने भी बहुत चलंती मान ये करिकरी fascination for antiquity हैला antiquity ancient Greece cast a spell over Helen's mind माने ग्रीस रो पुराना ग्रीस रो जिंस ताको भल लागुतला विषय रे in her fancy the pagan gods and goddesses pagans हैला तांगर सेट कोन pagans gods and goddesses still walked on earth हैला in her fancy से भाबुतला मने मने जे
राज्य କରିବା ମାନେ କଣ
हाँ
ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ହେବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆଣ୍ଟିକ୍विଟି
एंटीक्विटी ओके ओके एटा होची माने टू हो देखिए सो दी इन हर फैंसी in her fancy the pagan gods and goddesses still walked on earth ହେଲା ସେ ଭାବୁଥିଲା ଯେ ଏବେ ବି gods and goddesses pagan gods and goddesses are still walking ସେ ଚାଲୁଛନ୍ତି ରାସ୍ତାରେ and talked face to face with men ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଭଗବାନ ଆସିକି in her heart she secretly built shrines to those she loved best जो मानू से बेसी भल पाउथला जो गॉडेस मानू सेमान पे गोटे मंदिर करथला ता हार्ट भीतर दी शी लव्ड मेनी नेम्स हीरोज एंड डेमी गॉड्स गुड्स एमान को भी से तांको भी भल पाउथला शी could not forgive the cruelty and greed of Medea and Jason है ना तांकर से हाँ क्रुएल्टी और ग्रीड तांका लोभ को से भूलिनी she wondered why they were allowed to do wrong in the first place by the gods है ना so she wondered why they were allowed to do wrong हाँ ସେମାନେ କାହିଁ ଖରାପ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ ओ सॉरी ସେମାନେ କାହିଁ ଖରାପ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କାହିଁ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦିଆଯାଉଥିଲା in the first place by the gods ତାଙ୍କୁ କାହିଁକି ସୁଯୋଗ ଦଉଥିଲେ it was the Iliad that made Greece her paradise Iliad ରେ ପଢିବାକୁ ତାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା କାରଣ ଗ୍ରୀସ ବିଷୟରେ ସେଥିରେ ଥିଲା ଆଉ ତାକୁ ପାରାଡାଇଜ ସ୍वर्ଗ ଭଳିଆ ଲାଗିଲା she was familiar with the story of Troy before she read it in the original ତେଣୁ ଟ୍ରୟ ଷ୍ଟୋରୀଟା ଆଗରୁ ବି ସେ ପଢିଛି she felt that great poetry written in Greek or in English needed no other interpreter than a responsive heart ତୁମକୁ ବୁଝେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ଇଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରିଟର ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ମାନେ ବଡ ଟିଚର ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିଭ ହାର୍ଟ ତୁମେ ଯଦି ତମ ହାର୍ଟ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ କରୁଛି हार्ट जदि तुम नेला बुझी पाइला ताले अब बड़े बड़ टीचर दरकार नहीं देयर इज नो नीड फॉर एनालिसिस एंड लेबोरियस कमेंट्स बेसी एनालिसिस करिया भी दरकार नहीं सब बुझी जीव हार्ट हैला व्हेन हेलेन read the finest passages of the Iliad जेतेबेले से गीतटा पढ़िले she was conscious of a soul sense that lifted her above the narrow circumstances of her life. So she जानी पाले she was conscious of a soul sense. तांको प्राण soul sense जानी पाले soul sense असला soul sense जोड़ा असला that lifted her above the narrow. ना ताको उठे देला circumstances of her life. लाइफ रे जो न्यारो जिनस गुड़ा थिला सेटा ताठू ऊपर को ताको नहीं गला किए से जो याता विषय रे खराब भाबुथिला से भाबिले हैं admiration for the Aeneid देखो Helen's admiration for the Aeneid was real admiration माने से जो प्रशंसा करथला एनेड को से रियली करथला सी रेड इट ए स्टोरीटा कि गीतटा एलेन ही सी रेड इट विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ नोट्स और डिक्शनरी नोट भी देखिनी डिक्शनरी भी देखिनी से एटा को पढियला सी ऑलवेज लाइक टू ट्रांसलेट द एपिसोड्स दैट प्लीज्ड हर स्पेशली सो ताकू भी से ट्रांसलेट भी कर दिए हैला ताकू भल लागला माने से ताकू ट्रांसलेट करे she found Virgil's word paintings. Virgil's word paintings. Virgil भी गोटे बोधे स्टोरी टाइप रो से वर्ड पेंटिंग्स वंडरफुल से जो वर्ड लिखा है हाँ बट हिज गॉड्स एंड men were like graceful figures in an Elizabethan mask. Okay, but his gods and men were like but से जो जहाँ को गॉड भाबुला से माने होचन ग्रेसफुल फिगर्स हाँ से माने बहुत बड़ लोक हाँ हाँ जो इन द एलिजाबेथन मास्क माने एलिजाबेथन टाइम रे हाँ Virgil was serene and lovely like Apollo in a moonlight. अच्छा whereas Homer was a beauty एटा सब बही उड़ा Virgil केमती थिला Virgil आउ से कहूची Virgil was serene and lovely as Apollo so Apollo आउ Virgil प्राय एका टाइप रो थिले whereas Homer was a beautiful animated youth in the full sunlight with the wind in his hair. Oh, एवढा होची लोक थिले Virgil was serene and lovely like Apollo एवढा लोक थिले हला ए स्टोरी ऊपर हला whereas Homer was a beautiful animated youth थिला Homer हला in the full sunlight with a wind in his hair. हेयर हेयर रखिला से हेयर उडुथिबो से हला in the wind and he was like that Homer the reading of the Bible तापर आसला the reading of the Bible Helen had begun to read the Bible before she could understand it से बाइबल पढ़िबा ऑलरेडी पढ़ी सारथिले से आगुर पढ़िथिले It was a rainy Sunday when she begged her cousin cousin को कहले जे you read Bible to read her a story from the Bible पढ़िया को कहले her cousin spelled into her hand the story of Joseph and his brothers. Cousin पढ़देला somehow it failed to interest her. किंतु cousin सिना पढ़देला किंतु से ताकू भलो लागिलानी interest देलानी. However, later she began to discover the glories in the Bible. किंतु बाइबल से पढ़िला later she began to discover the glories in the Bible तो बाइबल ले पढ़िले केते ता भीतर मजा लागे केते भल लागे एटा पर जानला for years she read it with great interest even though her mind rebelled against much in the Bible that she found distasteful ताको भल लागलानी गुडे जिंस बाइबल लो जोड़ा कि किंतु तथापि से पढ़िले her mind did not want mind rebelled against such things हला किंतु से पढ़िले हला ताको भल लागेनी पढ़ते there was something impressive and awful in the simplicity and terrible directness of the book of Esther. से कहूँ there was something impressive and awful impressive थिला and awful थिला माने कष्टदायक था in the simplicity and a terrible directness of the book of Esther हला Esther गोटे book थिला the story of Ruth was completely oriental हला I would story of Ruth, her beautiful, unselfish, सब बाइबल बाइबल और ब्यूटीफुल अनसेल्फिश स्पिरिट ये रथ रथ shines out like a bright star in the night of a dark and a cruel age. Love like roots, unselfish. Okay, is hard to find in all the world. माने सेई टाइप रो लव आउ मिलुनी in the world. The Bible gave Helen a deep comforting sense. भल लगला, comfort लगला. Things that sense that things seen in are temporal. कौन कहला? Helen a deep comforting sense that things seen are temporal. जो आमे जिनस देखुचे से temporary. And things unseen are eternal. जोड़ा देखि पारुने जोड़ा देखुचे they are temporal. एक आसिला गोटे भल जिनस आसिला खाइदे हैला देखा रागा होता जहाँ होता टेम्पोराल जोड़ा अनसीन है नाई एटा न खाइले मो देह खराब हम मु खाइबी एटा अनसीन है एटा होची आर इटरनल सेड़ा होची बहुत इटरनल माने कोन माने फॉरएवर सेड़ा गुड फॉरएवर इटरनल माने अनंत होला तापरे लैम्स टेल्स फ्रॉम शेक्सपियर लैम्स टेल्स फ्रॉम अच्छा हेलेन रेड लैम्स टेल्स फ्रॉम शेक्सपियर गोटे बही एटा लैम्प लेक्चर दी at first with a child's understanding and wonder आग से छोट पिला बेले एटा पढ़ी मजा लगुला वंडर लगुला मैकबेथ भी पढ़ी इम्प्रेस्ड और द मोस्ट मैकबेथ गोटे बही द स्टोरी केम टू स्टिक टू हर माइंड से पूरा एटा मन रखी देथिले शी कंटिन्यू टू रिमेंबर द डैगर एंड लेडी मैकबेथ लिटिल व्हाइट हैंड as a real से सब भाबुला जे सो डैगर टा जो छुरीटा सत सतुआ थिला आ लेडी मैकबेथ रो लिटिल व्हाइट हैंड भी सत सतुआ थिला हला द किंग लियर she never forgot in king lear भी पढ़ी छी से बही she never forgot the feeling of horror when she came to the scene in which Gloucester's eyes were put out. Okay. She never forgot the feeling of horror. The horror, भयंकर लगे जो horror film देखली है ना. When she came to the scene, इस scene को जो तरह आसिला पढ़िला, in which say scene ने कौन है ची? In which Gloucester eyes were put out. आखी ताड़ दिया था. Gloucester. She equated Shylock with Satan in her mind. Satan बने भागुला Shylock. She felt sorry for them, for they could not be good, even if they wished to. से चाहिले भी से भल हो पारिबेनी पारलेनी At times she felt that the Shylocks, the Judases, and even the devil are broken spokes. They are nothing but broken spokes. तांकर जोगु माने चक्कटा भुसुड़िबो चक्कटा. In the great wheel of good, यदि गोटे बड़ गुड गोटे बोली गोटे बड़ चक्क अछि तार एवडा होचंदी स्पोक 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 साइकिल स्पोक जेमती नहीं हैं हाँ ब्रोकन स्पोक्स साइकिल स्पोक न थाए तार गुड़ा सेगुड़ा सेटा सेमती भांगी जाए so this is she felt sorry for them अच्छा all at times बेले बेले से भावे she felt that Shylock the Judas even the devil they are the broken spokes in the great wheel of good which shall in due time be made whole हाँ ओके एटा हूँ ब्रोकन हाँ एटा सब भांगी जीव एटा सब भांगी नुआ लगे हाँ फर्स्ट reading of Shakespeare filled her mind only with unpleasant memories. Okay? Unpleasant memories. तमको भल लगे प्रथम जो पढ़े she read his plays many times later तापर बहुत थर पढ़ी she liked to read the little songs and the sonnets so एगुड़ा भी songs and sonnets पढ़ी it was a dreary work for her to read all the meanings into Shakespeare's lines which critics and commentators have given them. So it was a dreary work, hard work for her to read all the meanings into Shakespeare's lines. Shakespeare line Shakespeare जो लेखा सब meaning जानिया बहुत कष्ट which critics and commentators have given them. Critics commentators सेटा पढ़ी की तो देइछन ना से लाइन गुडा सेटा ताकि ये भी बुझिया ताकू बहुत difficult. She was content with her little knowledge of her हिस्ट्री so सेटा भी पढ़ी की ताकू भल लागिला love for history. Next to poetry she loved history. Poetry पर कहा को भल पाउथला history. The first book that gave her in a real sense of the value of history was Swinton's Swinton बोली गोटे जने लिखिछि World History ताकू से पढ़ी which she received on her 13th birthday. हाँ जमा 13 वर्ष होइतला पाइछा बुझला हाँ कोनटा पाइतला ए बॉयटा from it she learned how the races of men spread from land to land केमती सब जाति हला and built great cities how different nations excelled in art and knowledge how civilization decayed civilization केमती भांगिला decayed and rose again पुणी केमती तयारी हला like the phoenix phoenix माने maybe one type of civilization हला that broke भांगिला पुणी उठिला हला तापर असला French and German literature Helen became somewhat familiar with the French and German literature. She felt that German put strength before beauty. Okay, she found that the Germans put strength किए फोनिक्स जो आमे पढ़िले फोनिक्स हला लाइक द
फोनिक्स ने जो बॉडी वाला रो
Helen became somewhat familiar with the French and German literature. German literature पढ़िले. She found that German लोक माने put strength before beauty and truth before convention. हला strength before beauty. तांकर strength को बेसी भल पाते. German and truth before convention हला truth को बेसी भल पाते बुझ पर हां she discovered in German literature a fine reserve and a idea of a woman's self-sacrificing love. Hela, she discovered in German literature a fine reserve, hela, an idea of a woman's self-sacrificing love. Hela, woman माने केमिति सेल्फ सैक्रिफाइस करोना माने निजको त्याग कर आज इन गोस फर्स्ट हला फर्स्ट बॉय रे of all the French writers that she had read, she liked Molière and Racine, the best French writer. ये दी जन Molière and Racine. She admired Victor Hugo. Hela Victor Hugo को she found many fine things in Balzac. Balzac भी आउट है boy. Okay. Liking for other writers. Helen says that she liked many writers for many things. She liked Carlyle for his ruggedness and scorn of shams. Okay. She goes Helen, many writers. She liked Carlyle for his ruggedness and scorn of sham. So এটা देखिए बेली
कोड़ा बोलो
ruggedness for his ruggedness and she liked William Wordsworth, who teaches the oneness of man and the nature. ତେଣୁ ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଆଉ ନେଚର କେମିତି ଗୋଟେ Wordsworth କହିଥିଲେ among other writers she loved Hood ଜଣେ ଥିଲେ Herrick, Mark Twain, Scott, etc.
ଅବଡ଼ା ଖାବଡ଼ା
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ବିକ୍ଷୁବଦ ଆବଡ଼ା ଖାବଡ଼ା
ହଉ Helen found the books her constant friends. ତାଙ୍କର ବହି ଗୁଡ଼ା ତାଙ୍କର friend ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା. They talked to her freely. ବହି ଗୁଡ଼ା ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହଉଥିଲେ. She could never forget their loves and heavenly charity. ସେ ଯୋଉ ବହି କ'ଣ ଚାରିଟି ଦାନ ଦେଇପାରିବନି ବହି ଯୋଉ ଜ୍ଞାନର ଦାନ ଯୋଉ ହେଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ହେଲା she could never forget their loves and heavenly charities ମାନେ heavenly ସେ ଦାନଟା heavenly charity knowledge ପାଇବାଟା